Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter Trigonometry. If you have any doubts regarding any question or its solution, then please write us in the comments section. And if you feel that if you have more difficulty in any of the chapters, then please write the name of that particular chapter in the comments section, so that we shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. Okay, so we shall start with question number 26, since in the previous part we shall solve till question number 25. Okay, so here in the question number 26 it is told that it is 3 sin x minus 3 sin x minus cos x whole raised to 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, that is equal to how much? So the value of this expression we are being asked to find. So here this is 3 into, so first we need to find the square of this, so square whole square we can say. So this is sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x, its whole square we have to find, plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square means it is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, then plus 4 into, now sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, so that is sin square x whole cube, sin square x whole cube we can say, and this is cos square x whole cube. So that is equal to how much? So this is 3 into 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square plus 6 into 1 plus 2 sin x cos x plus 4 into, this will be equal to a cube plus b cube is sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3ab, so this is 3 sin square x into cos square x into a plus b into sin square x plus cos square x. So this will be 3 into 1 plus 4 sin square x cos square x minus 4 sin x cos x plus 6 plus 12 sin x cos x plus 4 into 1 cube, that is 1 minus sin square x plus cos square x is 1, so it is 3 sin square x into cos square x. So that is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4 sin x cos x plus 4 sin square x into cos square x plus 6 plus 12 sin x cos x plus 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So this will be 4 minus 4 3 is 12, so this will be 12 sin square x cos square x. So this will be 3 minus 12 sin x cos x plus 4 3 is 12 sine square x cos square x plus 6 plus 12 sine x cos x plus 4 minus 12 sine square x cos square x. So 12 sine square x cos square x and 12 sine square x cos square x will cancel, and 12 sine x cos x, 12 sine x cos x will cancel. So this is 3 plus 6 plus 4, that is equal to 13. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is told that in triangle ABC, A equals to 2, B equals to tan inverse half, and C equal to this, then A and B are what? Okay. So there is a triangle ABC. So this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, and the side opposite to the angle B, that is B, side opposite to C, that is C, side opposite to angle A, that is A. So now A is equal to 2, it is told, and angle C, that is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3, and angle B, that is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2, and we have to find out A and we have to find out B. So now therefore we know that A by sine A, that is equal to B by sine B, that is equal to C by sine C. So this is called as the sine rule for a triangle. Sine rule for any triangle, we can use this. So now therefore A is 2, so 2 by sine A, so 2 by sine A, that is equal to B. B is so B we have to find, and B by sine B. So therefore now tan B, that is 1 by 2, since B is tan inverse 1 by 2, so tan B is 1 by 2. So from here sine B we can find. Sine B will be tan B by square root of 1 plus tan square B. Since why? Tan is sine by cos, and this is sec, means 1 by cos. Okay, so tan B is 1 by 2, and this is square root of 1 plus 1 by 4. So this will be 5 by 4, so root 5 by 2, it is 1 by root 5. So sine B is 1 by root 5, that is equal to C by sine C. Sine C is, so tan C is 1 by 3. So tan C is 1 by 3. So therefore sine C will be tan C by square root of 1 plus tan square C. So that will be tan C is 1 by 3 divided by square root of 1 plus 1 by 9, that is 10 by 9. So this is 1 by root 10. And then B, that is sine C, we have found. And now we know that A plus B plus C, that is equal to 180 degree. So therefore A plus B, that is equal to or we can say that B plus C, that is equal to 180 minus A. So now therefore sine B plus C, that will be equal to sine 180 minus A. So therefore now sine 180 minus A means it is sine A only. Sine A will be equal to sine B plus C. So that is equal to sine B cos C plus cos B sine C. So now from here cos C we can also find. Cos C will be equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta, which is 1 by 10. So it is 3 by root 10. And similarly here we can find out sine, so this is sine C, okay. Then we can find out sine B, so sine B is 1 by root 5. So from here we can find out cos B also. So cos B will be equal to square root of 1 minus sine square B, that is 1 by 5, that is 2 by root 5. So so sine A, that is equal to B, so sine B is 1 by root 5 into cos C, that is 3 by root 10, plus cos B, that is 2 by root 5, into sine C, that is 1 by root 10. So that will be 3 plus 2 by root 5 into root 10. So that is 5 root 5 into root 2, that is equal to 5. So 5 by 5 root 2. So that will be equal to 1 by root 2. So sine A equal to 1 by root 2. Sine A, that is equal to 1 by root 2. That is, therefore angle A is sine inverse 1 by root 2, that is equal to pi by 4, which is 45 degree. And B we have to find. So therefore we can say that here it is written, so 2 by sine A, 2 by sine A, that is equal to B by 1 by root 5. It's B by sine B. So therefore we can say that 2 by root 5, that is equal to B sine A. Now sine A is 1 by root 2. So therefore B by root 2, that is equal to 2 by root 5. So it means that B equal to 2 root 2 by root 5. So therefore A is pi by 4. Therefore the values of A and B are pi by 4 and 2 root 2 by root 5. So this is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. So here what you wanna say, okay. So sine A, actually here A we have found, so B actually here tan A should be equal to, tan A should be negative. So it means that if we apply tan here, then tan 180 minus theta, that is equal to minus tan theta. So minus tan A should be equal to tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan A tan C. So it means that tan A should be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 6. So that is greater, that is minus of this. So which is greater than 0. Oh, sorry, which is less than 0. So less than 0. So tan A is coming negative. It means that A should be an obtuse angle. A should be an obtuse angle. A should be obtuse. So therefore it means that sine A is 1 by root 2. So A is actually sine in. So A should be actually pi minus pi by 4 then. A should be actually then pi minus pi by 4, that should be equal to 3 pi by 4, which is equal to 135 degree. So A is 3 pi by 4. So this will be 3 pi by 4 comma 2 root 2 by root 5. So it means that option D is the correct answer. option D. Option D is the correct answer here. Then in question number 28, it has been told that cot 12 into cot 102 plus cot 102 degree into cot 66 degree plus cot 66 degree into cot 12 degree, that is equal to how much? So now we can see that this can be written as so this can be written as 1 by tan 12 into 1 by tan 102 degree, or this is be equal to, plus this will be 1 by tan 102 degree into 1 by tan 66 degree plus 1 by tan 66 degree into 1 by tan 12 degree. So now if we take the LCM, that will be equal to tan 12 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 102 degree. So this will come tan 66 degree plus tan 12 degree plus this will be tan 102 degree. So that will be how much? Okay. So now 102 plus 12 plus 66, that is how much? So that is 114 plus 66 degree, that is equal to 10, 6, 7, 180 degree. Okay. So now therefore we know that tan 180, therefore we know that tan 180 that is equal to 0. So it means that tan 102 degree plus 112 degree plus 66 degree, that is equal to 0. So it means tan 112 plus 12 plus 66, that is equal to tan 12 plus tan 66 plus tan 102 minus tan 12 into tan 102. Okay, so that will be equal to tan 12 into tan 102 into tan 66 degree. Since we know that since tan a plus tan of a plus b plus c, that is equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c, tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c by 1 minus tan a tan b into tan minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. So therefore this should be the value. So therefore this value, this is equal to simply tan 12 degree tan 66 degree into tan 102 degree divided by the same thing, tan 12 into tan 66 into tan 12 degree tan 102 degree. So these two will cancel, that will be equal to 1. So option A is the correct answer. So now, so in any of the answers, if you feel that you are not able to understand any of the steps or any other doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section. We shall clarify them in the subsequent live classes. And then here it is told that sine theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta plus this is cos theta by sine theta. So that will be equal to, this will be now this will be sine theta plus cos theta into, we can write this is sine square theta. If you take the LCM, this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine theta cos theta. So this will be 1. So this will be sine theta by sine theta cos theta plus this will be cos theta by sine theta cos theta. So cos theta will cancel, sine theta will cancel. So 1 by cos theta is sec theta plus 1 by sine theta is cosec theta. So sec theta plus cosec theta. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told that the sides of a triangle, so here one triangle we are having, which is suppose triangle ABC. Now these are the sides A, B and C. The sides are given as 6 plus root 12 and root over 48, and this is root over 24. Root over 24. Then the tangent of the smallest angle of the triangle is the tangent of the smallest angle the tangent of the smallest angle of the triangle is the tangent of the smallest angle of the triangle is okay. Then here so here root over 48, 6 plus root over 12, I can say it is 2 root 3. So this is square root of 48 is 16, 3 is 48, so 4 root 3, and this is equal to 6, 4, 6 are 24, that is 2 root 6. So obviously root 48 is obviously greater than root over 24, and this is actually 6, so 6 plus something, so 4 root 3 root over 48. So if we square it, this will be 36 plus 12 plus 2 into 6, 12 root 12. Okay. This will be 48 plus this. So this 6 plus root 12 will be obviously greater than these three. So therefore, the smallest angle, so this is the largest angle, the angle opposite to the longest side will be the largest. So angle A is greater, angle A is the greatest, and which is less than this, which is angle B, and angle C is the least. Since why the side which is opposite to the angle C is having the lowest length. So therefore we need to find tangent of the smallest angle. It means tan C. Tan C has been asked. So now tan C we have to find. So now we can find out cos C. Cos C will be equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. So therefore that will be equal to a square, which is 6 plus root 12 whole square, plus b square that is root over 48 whole square minus c square that is root over 24 whole square divided by 2ab, which is 2 into 6 plus root 12 into root over 48. Now therefore cos c that will be equal to 36 plus 12 plus 2 6 are 12, so 12 root 12 plus this is 48 minus this is 24 divided by 2 into 6 plus root over 12 into root over 48. Now therefore cos c that will be equal to 36 plus 12, that is 48, plus 12 root 12, so 12 is 2 root 3, so 2 12s are 48, so sorry 2 12s are 24, 24 root 3 plus 48 minus 24 divided by this is 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 root 3, then into 48 into root over 48 means 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. So that this will be equal to, this is 24, 24 plus 48, that is 72. So this is 72 plus 24 root 3 divided by 4 root 3, that is 12 4 is 48, 48 root 3 plus 16 3 is 48. from here 24 I can take as common, so 24 into 3 plus root 3 divided by 48 into root 3 plus 1, and this is also I can take root 3 as common. This will be 24 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 48 into root 3 plus 1. So 24 2s are 48, root 3 1 will cancel. So cos c is equal to root 3 by 2. So it means c is equal to, so cos c is root 3 by 2. Okay. So now therefore tan c we have to find. So c is equal to actually cos inverse root 3 by 2, which is equal to pi by 3, which is 60 degree. No, sorry, this is pi by 6, which is 30 degree. That cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. And cos 60 is half. Okay. So tan c is equal to tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, then here it is told that if A is greater than B is greater than 0, and sec inverse of A plus B by A minus B, that is equal to 2 sine inverse of X, then X is equal to how much? Sec inverse of A plus B by A minus B, that is equal to 2 sine inverse X. So now X will be how much? Okay. Now let sine inverse X, that is equal to theta. So X is equal to sine theta. So now therefore this is 2 theta. Therefore sec inverse of A plus B by A minus B, that is equal to 2 theta. So it means that sec 2 theta, that is equal to A plus B by A minus B. Okay, then sec 2 theta is this. Means that cos 2 theta, that is equal to A minus B by A plus B. Now therefore sine theta is X. So sine theta, if we can find, that will be X. So the sine theta will be square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So that is square root of 1 minus A minus B by A plus B by 2. So that will be square root of A plus B minus of A plus B by 2 into A plus B. So A and A will cancel. So that will be equal to root over, so this will be 2b, so root over b by A plus B. So that is, so this is X, which is sine theta. So option B by root over A plus B. 31, okay. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So then in question number 32 has been told that if x is not equal to n pi and x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, then n, and where n belongs to z, then the value of sine inverse of cos x by plus cos inverse of sine x by tan inverse of cot x plus cot inverse of tan x, that is equal to how much? Okay. So now here if so here tan x, so tan n pi, that will be always 0. So this should not be. So cot inverse 0 is so that is cot inverse 0, that is pi by 2, and tan inverse cot x, so cot n pi is okay. So x should not be a multiple of pi, and it should not be an odd multiple of pi by 2 also. So this we can write. So now here, so now we know that we know that sine inverse y plus cos inverse y, that is equal to pi by 2 for all y belongs to -1 to 1, and tan inverse y plus cot inverse y, that is also equal to pi by 2 for all y belongs to R, for all real numbers y. Now therefore this sine inverse of cos x plus cos inverse of sin x divided by tan inverse of cot x plus cot inverse of tan x, that can be written as, this can be written as, so pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x, plus this can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse of sin x, divided by, this can be written pi by 2 minus cot inverse of cot x, plus this will be pi by 2 minus tan inverse of tan x. Since y cot inverse y will be pi by 2 minus tan inverse y, and tan inverse y also can be written as pi by 2 minus cot inverse y. So this will be equal to pi by 2 minus x, cos inverse cos x will be x, this will be plus pi by 2 minus x divided by, this will be pi by 2 minus x plus pi by 2 minus x. So this, so the numerator and the denominator is same, so therefore that will be 1. That will be equal to 1. So it means that here none of the options are correct. So 1 is the answer here. Here the general solution of 1 plus sine square x, that is equal to 3 sine x cos x, where tan x is not equal to half, that we have to find. General solution of this. So this will be 3 sine x, this is so this one I can write it as sine square x plus cos square x plus sine square x minus 3 sine x cos x, that is equal to 0. So now from here we can write 2 sine square x minus 3 sine x cos x plus cos square x, that is equal to 0. So we can factorize it. So we can write 2 sine square x minus 2 sine x cos x minus sine x cos x plus cos square x, that is equal to 0. Therefore 2 sine x, if I take as common, this will be sine x minus cos x minus this will be cos x into sine x minus cos x is equal to 0. So then 2 sine x minus cos x into sine x minus cos x, that is equal to 0. So it means that sine x, either sine x equal to cos x, or it means that 2 sine x, that is equal to cos x. So it means that tan x, that is equal to 1, or tan x, that is equal to half. but it is told tan x is not equal to half. So this solution, we will tell this is not possible. This should be excluded. So tan x equal to 1. It means that x should be equal to n pi plus pi by 4. N pi plus pi by 4 where n belongs to z. So this is the required general solution of this given trigonometric equation. So option C is the correct answer. So in any of the answers, any of the answers, if you are unable to understand any of the steps or any other doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section. We shall clarify them in the next live class. Okay, then here question number 34, it has been told that in any triangle ABC, the simplified form of cos 2a by a square minus cos 2b by b square, that is equal to how much? Okay, so now here we know that a by sine a, that is equal to b by sine b. We know this, that is equal to c by sine c, which is called as the sine rule. Sine rule for any triangle. So therefore sine a, we can write it as, suppose this is equal to some constant k. So this will be equal to k sine a, sorry, sine a, that is equal to a by k, and sine b, that is also equal to b by k. So now therefore cos 2a will be equal to 2 sine square a minus 1, and cos 2b, that is equal to 2 sine square b minus 1. So this will be equal to 2a square by k square minus 1, and this will be equal to sine square b minus 1. So this will be equal to 2b square by k square minus 1. So therefore cos 2a by a square minus cos 2b by b square, that will be equal to, so cos 2a is 2a square by k square minus 1 by a square, minus this is 2b square by k square minus 1 by b square. So this will be 2 by k square minus 1 by a square, minus this will be 2 by k square plus 1 by b square. So this will be 2 by k square, 2 by k square will cancel. This will be 1 by b square minus 1 by a square. One by b square minus 1 by a square. This is, so sorry, this is 1 minus 2 sine square a. There is something wrong here. There is something wrong here, sorry. So this is 1 minus 2 sine square a, this is 1 minus 2 sine square b. So this will be 1 minus 2a square by k square, and this is also 1 minus 2b square by k square. So cos 2a by a square minus cos 2b by b square. So that will be equal to, this is 1 minus 2a square by k square divided by a square, minus this is 1 minus 2b square by k square divided by b square. So this will be 1 by a square minus 2 by k square minus 1 by b square plus 2 by k square. So 2 by k square, 2 by k square will cancel. So this will be 1 by a square minus 1 by b square. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told that angles of elevation of the top of a tower. So one tower is there. So from the top of this tower, from the top of the tower, angles of elevation of this top of the tower from 3 points A, B and C on the road A, B and C on the road are 30 degree, this is 30 degree, and from the point B it is 45 degree, and from point C it is 60 degree respectively. The ratio of AB is to BC is, so we have to find AB is to BC. Let's say this length is X, this is A, this is B, suppose, and the height of the tower is suppose H. Now therefore this is a right angled triangle, so therefore we can say that tan 60 that is equal to H by X, tan 45 that is equal to H by B plus X, and tan 30 that is equal to H by A plus B plus X. Now therefore X by H by X is root 3, H by X is equal to root 3, so therefore X by H will be 1 by root 3, and similarly B plus X by H that is equal to 1, since tan 45 is 1, and this is equal to 1 by root 3, so therefore A plus B plus X by H that is equal to root 3. So from here B by H we can find B by H plus X by H that is equal to 1, so therefore B by H that will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, and so X by H plus B by H plus A by H that will be equal to root 3. So A by H plus this is B by A by H plus, so X plus B by H that is equal to 1, so that is root 3. So A by H that is equal to root 3 minus 1, and then we have to find the ratio of AB. We have to find the ratio of AB to BC. So AB by BC we have to find. It means that we have to find the value of A by B. So that we can write it as A by H by B by H also. So that will be equal to, so therefore we can say that AB by BC. So that will be equal to simply A by H by B by H. So A by H that is root 3 minus 1, and B by H that is 1 minus 1 by root 3. So that is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 if you take the LCM. So this will be root 3. So therefore the required ratio is root 3 is to 1. So option A is the correct answer. Then here we have been asked to find the value of sine 10 degree into sine 30 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree. So that will be equal to, so now here we know that 2 sine A sine B, 2 sine A sine B that will be equal to cos A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Since here we'll have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and here we will have cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. So this formula we can apply here. So this will be, so I can take sine 10 and sine 50 together, and sine 30 and sine 70 together. So this we can write 2 into sine 10 degree into sine 50 degree into 2 sine 30 degree into sine 40 degree whole divided by 4. So therefore that will be 1 by 4 into, so 2 sine 10 sine 50, that is cos 50 minus 10 minus cos of 50 plus 10, then into, that is cos of sorry, this is 70. 30 cos of 30 minus 70, that's cos of 70 minus 30 minus cos of 70 plus 30, that is 100. Okay. Sorry, here this is wrong actually. This way we cannot solve this. Okay. So here actually we have to multiply and divide this expression by cos 10. So this I can write 1 by 2 cos 10 degree into, I can write 2 cos 10 degree into sine 10 degree into sine 30 degree. Okay, so then sorry, here actually we have to do, so this is sine 10 degree into sine 30 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree, so that we have to write 1 by 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, so we can write 1 by 2 into sine 10 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree, since sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So then this will be 1 by 2 into, now sine 10 into sine 50. So now we know that so this will be we can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, so 1 by 4 into 2 sine 10 into sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree, and we know that 2 sine A sine B, that will be equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So now therefore this expression, let's say it is x, so the expression x, that is equal to 1 by 4 into cos of 50 minus 10 minus cos of 50 plus 10 into sine 70 degree. So that will be equal to 1 by 4, this is cos 40 minus cos 60 into sine 70 degree. So I can say that this will be 1 by 4 into cos 40 into cos into sine 70 degree minus cos 60 is half, so I can say this is 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. So then this we can write it as, so we know that, so now we know that cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, that will be equal to sin A plus B minus of sin A minus B. Since it will be 2 sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, this will be minus of sin A cos B minus plus cos A sin B. Okay, so therefore this expression x, that will be equal to 1 by 8 into 2 cos 40 into sin 70 minus 1 by 8 into sin 70 degree. So that will be equal to 1 by 8 into sine of A plus B, that is 40 plus 70, that is 110 degree, minus sine of A minus B, which is minus 30 degree, 40 minus 70, then minus 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. So that will be equal to 1 by 8 into sine 110 degree plus sine 30 degree minus 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. So this will be 1 by 8 into, so now sine 110, I can write it as sine of 180 degree minus 70 degree plus this is 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. So this will be 1 by 8 into, now sine pi minus theta is sine theta only, so this is 1 by 8 sine 70 plus this is 1 by 16 minus 1 by 8 into sine 70 degree. So these two will get cancelled, so the answer is 1 by 16. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Then in the question number 7, question number 37, it is told tan inverse x, that is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by root 1 by 3, then x is equal to how much? So let tan inverse x, that is equal to theta. So then we can say that x is equal to tan theta. So we have to find out x. So now therefore if we apply tan on both sides, then x will be equal to tan of pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by root 1 by 3. So that will be equal to tan pi by 4 minus of tan inverse 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan of tan inverse 1 by 3. So this will be tan pi by 4 is 1 and minus tan of tan inverse is that only 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3. So this will be 2 by 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. So that is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So option B is the correct answer. And in question number 38, it has been told find the value of theta satisfying sine 5 theta minus sine 3 theta plus sine theta, that is equal to 0, and theta is an acute angle, means theta is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. So theta is an acute angle. So from here we can say that, so sine c minus sine d, we know sine c minus sine d, that is equal to sine c minus sine d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. Now therefore this expression, therefore we can say this is 2 cos 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 into sine 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2 plus sine theta, that is equal to 0. So it means 2 into cos 8 theta by 2, that is 4 theta, into sine 2 theta by 2, that is theta, plus sine theta, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can write sine theta into 2 cos 4 theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore sine theta, that is equal to 0, or cos 4 theta, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So sine theta equal to 0, it means that theta should be equal to n pi. It means theta should be either equal to 0 or pi, but here these two values we can't take. So sine theta should not be equal to 0 here. Sine theta cannot be 0. So these values are not possible. Now cos 4 theta is minus 1 by 2. So therefore cos 4 theta, that should be equal to, so negative angle, that is cos, this is cos pi minus pi by 3. Since cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, cos pi by 3 is half. So therefore cos 4 theta, that is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3. So therefore 4 theta should be equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. It means that theta should be equal to, so where n belongs to z. This is the general solution. So this is n pi by 2 plus minus pi by 4. So 2 to the 4 pi by 6. So now if I take now for n equal to 0, if I take, so then theta will be equal to plus or minus pi by 6. So pi by 6 I can take, pi by 6 I can take, and for theta for n equal to, or minus pi by 6 also I can take. For n equal to 1, theta will be equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6, but it should not be less than, it should not be more than pi by 2. So this value we cannot take. Or we can take theta equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 6. So that will be equal to 6 and 3 to the 6. So 3 minus 1 into pi. So that is 2 pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 3. So pi by 3 also I can take, but the option is not there. So therefore pi by 6 we can take. So option B is the correct answer. So in any of the answers, if you are not able to understand in any of the steps of the solution or any other doubts you are having, then please write us in the comments section. 2 cos inverse x, that is equal to sine inverse of 2x to root over 1 minus x square, is valid for all values of x satisfying what? Okay, so here if I take, so 2 cos inverse x, sine inverse, that should be from so sine inverse x, that should always be from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sine inverse y, actually sine inverse y should be from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So 2 cos inverse x, so I can say that 2 cos inverse x, that should be also from minus pi by 4 to pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So now, but cos inverse x, that goes from actually 0 to pi. So 2 cos inverse x, that should go from 0 to pi. So we have to take the intersection of these two. We have to take the intersection of these two solution sets. So 2 cos inverse x, that will be greater than 0 and less than or equal to pi by 4. So cos inverse x, that should go from should go from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So should go from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so cos inverse x, that should go from 0 to pi by 4. So it means that x should go from cos 0, cos pi by 4, which is 1 by root 2, to cos 0, which is 1. So option D is the correct answer. Then the question number 40, it is told that cos alpha plus 2 cos beta plus 3 cos gamma, that is equal to 0, and sine alpha plus 2 sine beta plus 3 sine gamma, that is equal to 0, and alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to pi, then sine 3 alpha plus 8 sine 3 beta plus 27 sine 3 gamma, that is equal to how much? So now therefore sine 3 alpha, that will be equal to so that is 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha, and sine, so we know that sine 3 theta, okay, we can write, we can just generalize it. So sine 3 theta, that is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, we know this. So therefore sine 3 alpha plus 8 sine 3 beta plus 27 sine 3 gamma, that will be equal to 3 into sine, sorry, 3 sine, this will be 3 sine alpha plus 4 minus 4 sine cube alpha, and plus 8 into 3, that is 24 sine beta minus 4 8 is 32 sine cube beta plus, that is 27 into 3, that is 81, 27 into 3, that is 81 sine gamma minus 4 into 27, that is 108 sine cube gamma. So from here I can take 3 as common, so this will be 3 into sine alpha plus sine plus 8 sine beta plus 27 sine gamma minus, this will be 4 into sine cube alpha plus 8 sine cube beta plus 27 sine cube gamma. Now we can say that sine alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to how much? That is equal to sine alpha into cos beta cos gamma plus sine beta into cos gamma cos alpha plus sine gamma into cos alpha into cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta into sine gamma, that is equal to sine pi, which is equal to 0. So now therefore this will be, this is 0. So now we also know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c equal to 0. So now therefore it is told that sine alpha plus 2 sine beta plus 3 sine gamma, that is equal to 0. It has been given. So we can say that sine cube alpha plus 8 sine cube beta plus 27 sine cube gamma, that is equal to 3 into sine alpha into 2 sine beta into 3 sine gamma. So that is equal to 6 3 18. So that is 18 sine alpha sine beta sine gamma. Okay, so this is 18 sine beta sine alpha sine gamma. And similarly cos pi, that is minus 1, sine 3 alpha, that is this should be now therefore sine 3 alpha plus sine 8 sine cube beta, that is 8, okay, 18 into this sine plus 8 sine 3 beta plus 27 sine 3 gamma, that will be equal to so that will be equal to 3 into sine alpha plus 8 sine beta plus this. And also we can see that so this will be 18 into sine alpha plus beta plus gamma, that will be equal to 18 into 0, which is equal to 0. Since why this will come 4 into 18, and this also will become here cos, so but then question number 41 here, 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 3, that is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 3. So this will be equal to 3x plus 1. So if we take the LCM, this will be x minus 1 into x plus 3, and this will be a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. So therefore if we compare both sides, then 3x plus 1, that is equal to a plus b into x plus 3a minus b. So therefore a plus b, that should be equal to 3, and 3a minus b, that should be equal to 1. So therefore if we add them, then we will get 4a, that is equal to 4. So therefore 4a, that is equal to 4. A is equal to 1 and b should be equal to 2. So therefore sine inverse of a by b, that is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2, that is equal to 30 degree, which is pi by 6. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is told here that this sine 70 plus cos 40, so that is sine 70, we can say it is cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree, and this is equal, and this is by sine 7 cos 70, that is cos 20 degree, or we can say this is cos 70 degree plus sine 40 is cos 50 degree. So this will be cos 20 plus cos 40, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2, so that is 60 by 2, into cos c minus d by 2, that is 20 by 2, divided by 2 cos 120 by 2 into cos 20 by 2. Okay, okay, so this will be 20 by 2, so 2 and 2 will cancel, this 2 will cancel, so this will be cos 30 by cos 60. So this will be equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this will be equal to, so now here 2 and 2 will cancel, that is equal to root 3. So option C is the correct answer. And then here the number of real solutions of the equation is, so so now if we take tan inverse of root over x into x minus x plus 1, that is equal to theta, suppose, say, then is that root over x into x minus x plus 1, that is equal to tan theta. It means that x into x plus 1, that will be equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta. Okay. And here, so sine inverse of root over x square plus x, I can write it as x into x plus 1 plus 1. So that will be equal to sine inverse of root over tan square theta plus 1. So which is equal to sine inverse of sec theta. Sine inverse of sec theta. So that is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, that is told. Pi by 2 minus theta. So sine inverse sec theta, we can write it as pi by 2 minus cos inverse sec theta. So now 43, okay. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse, okay, sorry. So here pi by 2 minus tan inverse y, that is equal to cot inverse y, and pi by 2 minus sine inverse y, that is equal to cos inverse y. So therefore we can say that this is tan inverse of x into x plus 1, that is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse, so this is cos inverse of root over x into x plus 1 plus 1, which is okay. So then if we take theta equal to tan inverse of root over x into x plus 1, then it means that x into x plus 1, that will be equal to tan square theta. So therefore cos inverse of root over x into x plus 1 plus 1, that will be equal to cos inverse of root over tan square theta plus 1, which is equal to cos inverse of sec theta. So now cos inverse of sec theta, it is told cos inverse of sec theta that is equal to theta. So it means that cos theta equal to sec theta. It means that cos square theta that is equal to 1. Cos theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cos square theta equal to 1. So therefore cos theta will be equal to plus or minus 1. It means that so we can also say 1 minus sine cos square theta that is equal to 0. So it means that sine square theta that is equal to 0. So cos sine theta equal to 0, it means theta equal to n pi. Theta should be equal to n pi. Theta is equal to n pi, it means that tan n pi that is equal to 0. So x into x plus 1 that should be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or minus 1. So two solutions are there. So option D is the correct answer. So two real solutions can be obtained, which are x can be 0 or minus 1. Then it is told that if sine 2x equal to 4 cos x, sine 2x equal to 4 cos x, sine 2x we can write this is 2 sine x cos x minus 4 cos x, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can say 2 cos x I can take as common, then this will be sine x minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now sine x cannot be equal to sine x minus sine x cannot be equal to 2. So therefore cos x should be equal to 0. It means that x should be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Or we can say that x equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So option A is the correct answer. So this is the required general solution of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, then question number 45. Here now this is cos inverse of 2 cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sine inverse of 1 by 5. So this will be cos inverse of, we can write cos inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sine inverse 1 by 5. Now we know that cos inverse x plus sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So therefore this will be cos inverse of pi by 2 plus cos inverse of 1 by 5. Now if you take cos inverse 1 by 5, that is equal to theta, suppose. Okay. So then this is equal to cos inverse of pi by 2 plus theta. So pi by 2 plus theta is in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, so cos inverse pi by 2 plus theta. Sorry, this will be cos of this. Okay, sorry. This is something wrong here. This will be cos of this. So cos of pi by 2 plus theta. So this will be equal to minus sine theta. Since in the second quadrant cos is having negative value, so this will be minus sine theta. So from here cos theta is equal to 1 by 5. So sine theta will be equal to square root of 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square. Square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So this is 5 square, that is 25. So 25 minus 1, 24 by 25. So 24 is 4 6 24. So 2 root 6 by 5. So this is minus 2 root 6 by 5. So option B is the correct answer. Then question number 46, it is told that tan inverse, we have to find the value of tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y, where x and y both are greater than 0. So both are some positive real numbers. So this can be written as tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of, this will be we can write x by y minus 1 by x by y plus 1. So now if we take tan inverse x by y that is equal to theta, suppose say, then x by y that will be equal to tan theta. So now then, therefore this can be written as theta minus tan inverse of, this is tan theta minus, I can write tan pi by 4, then 1 plus tan theta into tan pi by 4. So this is equal to theta minus, this is tan inverse of, this will be tan of theta minus pi by 4. Since we know that tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this will be theta minus of theta minus pi by 4. So this will be pi by 4. So option A is the correct answer. So then now we shall solve the last question of our today's live class. The question number 47, it is root 2. Okay, so we have to find the general solution of sin x minus cos x, that is equal to root 2. So sin x minus cos x, I can write it as, this is root 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x minus 1 by root 2 into cos x, that is equal to root 2. So this can be written as root 2 into, so 1 by root 2 is, so this I can write sin x into cos pi by 4 minus cos x into sin pi by 4 is equal to root 2. So that will be root 2 into, this will be sin x minus pi by 4, that is equal to root 2. So root 2 and root 2 will cancel. So it means that sin x minus pi by 4, that is equal to 1. So it means that x minus pi by 4, that should be equal to 2n pi plus 2n pi plus, this is sine, 1 is sine pi by 2, so this is actually pi by 2. Okay, so this will be, x will be equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 4, 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4, where n belongs to z, where for any integer n. So option A is the correct answer. So thank you everyone. We shall end the live class here. So in any of the questions, any doubts if you have, or in any of the steps of the solution, if you are unable to understand, then please write us in the comments section. Thank you. Thank you everyone.